Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at another built-in function, and it is the filter function. So alright, let's just get to it. So we got nothing to import because it's already there. So filter. So here we go. Takes in a function or none, takes in an iterable, so it has okay, let's slide this over. Not too readable. So alright, returns an iterator yielding those items of iterable for which it are true. So alright, basically just think about it. So we're going to give it a function, give it an iterable, and for those items in the iterable that are true after it goes through the function are going to then be placed in an iterator. So alright, the one that I love to give for this is, let's say you need to get you need all the letters. So alright, we know about string, and if not, I'll put that up right here. So alright, let's say we want to separate consonants from the vowels. So alright, letters equals string dot, I always get ASCII wrong, so I gotta cheat, letters. Okay, so we have that. We can just pull this up and look at letters. Oops. Letter. So let's change this to letters, since that's what makes more sense, because it's letters. So there we go. Okay, but that's all of them. Let's say we want to break this down and we want vowels and consonants. So let's do cons. I don't want to type consonants. So okay, we're going to do filter. Then we give it our function, and we are going to use lambda. If you're not sure what lambda is, guess what? I'll put that up right here. You can go look at that. Lambda. There we go. And that's your test. If it goes orange, that's right. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do videos upon videos and build one to the other. But alright, so then we're going to check this. So we have uppercase and lowercase. We have all the letters, right? So to grab, because right now if we were to just do I and then check this against not in A, B, oops, A, E, I, O, U, we would only take out the lowercase vowels, but we want to take out upper and lower. So we then lower it, check it, and if it still falls in this, then get rid of it. So alright, and then here is our iterable. So we do this, and then we use our splat technique that we learned a few videos ago. Put that up right there, and let's do check cons, and lo and behold, here are all the consonant letters minus vowels. So then let's just repeat, and we get rid of the not. Lambda, okay. I dot lower in A, E, I, O, U, letters, and run this again, and then print splat vowels. Okay, and there we go. So I know you might say, well, why did we have to do it this way? Well, what happens if this was a whole bunch of, and also I like the iterators, because you can go and do piecemeal and it will remember where you left off. That's why I'm a huge fan of this one. It is very handy. But like I was saying before, if you're new here, we do one video at a time. We do micro videos. So you can always come back and search for them, and they're not buried, but we do give references, and they will always be right here on the cards. So as always, guys, thank you for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.